There is no one-size-fits-all approach to securing software product delivery. Every organization has its own challenges, and best practices have to be adapted to best fit your needs. To do this well, your teams need to know the core concepts that underpin all of software security. Having a common understanding of these foundations across your organization gives everyone the capability to implement the best approaches for them. Our foundational workshops and self-paced courses give your teams this common understanding, helping them to understand what security and compliance are and how to manage them effectively. Being experts in both software delivery and security ourselves means our knowledge in this area is unsurpassed and well beyond the typical cybersecurity training available. Set your organization up to really build security in and deliver the secure software products that your customers need.